Hi, I'm Ollie, and I'm a data quality analyst here at the PHIN. Today, I'm going to be taking you through the process for creating and submitting adverse events null returns. An adverse event null return confirms to us when there are no adverse events to submit for your hospitals. We'll need one file submission per site per month. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to be taking you through three key steps. First, downloading our adverse event null return sample file via the PHIN Portal. Second, checking and correctly saving the adverse events. And third, submitting it via our SFTP. Here's the process. First, we're going to download a sample adverse events null return file from the PHIN Portal. This will make the process easier for those who are not yet used to creating null returns. First, navigate to portal.phin.org.uk. Then click on Hospitals, browse the manual, number 6, How to submit the data. Scroll down, there are a number of sample files for each of the datasets. The ones we're after are the adverse event null return sample file. Click to download. Once you've downloaded the adverse event null return sample file, open it in Excel to confirm there is no data other than the adverse events header row. Once you've confirmed this, save the file with your cursor on cell A1 to ensure no empty rows are captured. The file needs to be saved as a CSV, and the file name needs to contain the hospital's site ID and the month after the null return is for. This will be an adverse event null return for PHIN sites PHI0ID and May because it has a June date. Once you have saved your adverse events null return file, connect to our SFTP server using your client of choice. I'm using FileZilla. Once you've connected, navigate to where you've stored your adverse event null return, and then drag and drop it into our SFTP server. You have now transferred your adverse event null return. Check in the portal to make sure it was successful. I hope you found today's video useful. I've now taken you through creating, saving and submitting adverse events null return files. If you have any questions, please email me at dataquality@phin.org.uk. Thanks for listening.